remember, Your Honor. I think there was an interview that time.
So it's just a question of a yes or a no. You remember it or no? Because it's a...
Yes, Your
Kasi ang tanong dito, natatandaan mo ba o hindi about do sa 51 billion pesos? So ngayon, pakinggan nyo pa.
an actual quote.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. So,
Yes, what?
yes.
Yes, you remember, or yes, you don't remember?
I don't remember
So I'm
exactly.
confronting with you. I'm confronting you with the actual quote. So the only question there is, do you remember stating that quote, or you do not remember stating that quote?
Ah,
I remember, Your Honor.
ah.
You remember stating that quote, and if you remember stating that quote, do you confirm the information in that quote?
That
You confirm those amounts
if
na
that-
nabanggit, excuse me, let me finish, amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022.